Are you looking for the best mortising machine in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 4 best mortising machine that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, VEVOR Woodworking Mortise Machine. The mortising machine is a powerful and versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks. The all-copper motor is powerful and runs cool, making it ideal for use on a variety of hard and softwoods. The spindle turns at 1700 RPM, making it easy to power through even the toughest materials. The labor-saving design is perfect for anyone who wants to save time and effort while working. The security switch is a great safety feature that ensures secure operation. The movable table is flexible and easy to control. The handwheel can also be pressed to quickly move the workpiece back and forth, from left to right, and cut accurately. The complete accessories include a 13mm drill chuck, a 3/8 tenon cutter, a 19mm chisel holder, and 4 hex wrenches, providing more possibilities for this tenon machine. The all-purpose use makes it a great choice for anyone who wants to be able to create intricate designs in detail like never before. At number 2, FJL Force Mortising Machine. Are you looking for a wood chisel set that comes with all the accessories you need for a precise mortising job? Look no further than the square hole drill bit set. This set includes a locator, press block, side positioning rod, fixed seat, and 4 different sizes of tenon knives for a mortising machine. The drill bits are made of high-quality steel and are designed for fast cutting with no rolled edges. The set is also easy to store in its portable storage box. The square hole drill bit set is a great choice for anyone who needs a versatile and precise tenon jointing attachment for their drill press. The set is suitable for use with a drill press that has a chuck diameter of 2.07 inches, 2.16 inches, 2.28 inches, or 2.36 inches. The vertical distance between the drill press chuck and the workbench must be at least 15.7 inches. At number 3, VEVOR Woodworking Powermatic Mortiser Machine. Are you looking for a powerful and versatile mortising machine? Look no further than the square tenon machine from XYZ Tools. This machine is equipped with a 3/4 HP all-copper motor for long cool running operation and has a spindle that turns at 3400 RPM, allowing you to power through a range of both hard and softwoods with ease. The labor-saving design of the square tenon machine is one of its best features. The extra-long steel handle conveniently adjusts to different indexed positions to provide leverage, and is offset to put your wrist in a comfortable position for maximum power and control. The square tenon machine also has a security switch which can be quickly started and used to ensure secure operation. At number 4, Powermatic Benchtop Mortiser Machine. We really like the 2 integrated bit and chisel spacers for their quick setup and easy-to-use design. The inline depth stop is also a great feature, allowing us to stop at preset depths without having to rack the bit to the base. The heavy-duty reversible handle is a great addition, allowing us to install it on either side of the head without any tools. The stock hold-down with double lock system is also a great feature, eliminating workpiece slippage. The quick action cam lock is also a great feature, allowing us to quickly lock the fence in position with 190 degrees movement. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.